All right, welcome to module 5. Right, so in this section, we are going to be learning how to structure SEO posts, how to structure your blog post. Right, so technically, there are structure, there are things your blog post should contain. This is basic on-page SEO we want to do, so I'm just going to run down on-page SEO for you the best way I can. Right, because on-page SEO entirely is a course on its own that you need to cover, but I'll try to do justice to it here, right? And if you have any questions, you could reach out to me. Now, why structure your blog post, right? A well-structured blog post very, very important for readability, right? Readability is a factor that can help you for your SEO, for your traffic, right? So it's not just about writing. You just need to read. You need to have a good experience. User experience is important. SEO performance, right? Helps Google rank your content higher. Engagement and monetization. If you keep your users, you imagine your page is just looking all scattered. I mean, the users will not want to stay. And you know, when they are staying, the impressions are, the ads impressions are changing, basically, and they're getting tempted to either click or an interracial brand comes in. So it's just very, very important to make sure your content is all structured. Very, very important. I can't just emphasize it. So step by step, let's do step 1, step 2, step 3. Create an engaging H1 title. So we are going to be, for this particular module, we are going to be using this particular blog as a case study. So there are top 10 PayPal games that pay really money fast. Guys, this keyword is hot cake. This keyword is mighty. Just take it for it. So if you see these guys, see games that pay real money directly to bank accounts. Can you just imagine? Okay, let me search this keyword and see, and I will show you what the traffic looks like. See now, games that pay real money. See the CPC is $6. The SEO difficulty is 8. You will not see this kind of keyword, and I'm not sure anybody is showing this kind of keyword at the moment. And this is for United States. Imagine you are getting cost per click CPC $6, and you're getting 8% or 10% of this. 10% of this is 600 searches per month, or you're getting half. That's so difficult. So it's very, very easy. So that's not what we're here for today, basically. All right. So if you see here, so I use this to do detailed SEO. So this is the title. Basically, when you go to the heading section, basically, your blog post should just have only one H1 tag. Only one H1 tag. Because the H1 tag is where is the title, basically, and that is the first place the search engine, right, the crawlers will look. Okay, so what is this blog post about? PayPal games that pay real money. Right? Now, your URL might be different. It's not a must that your URL must take the same, right, must be exact the same way your H1 is. If you see here, these guys, the H1 is top 10 PayPal games. Their URL is PayPal games that pay real money. They took advantage of the keyword, right? They added PayPal, right? So this is what you want to understand. Now, I said the next thing is include your primary keyword naturally, which is what they did here. Make it compelling and encouraging to clicks. Exactly, which PayPal games can I play that will make me real money? Okay, if I see this thing, immediately I'll click it. So you're not gonna be writing plenty things. Best budget laptop. You see example, best budget laptop 2024. Top picks for every need. Number 2, write a strong introduction. Let's look at the introduction. Playing games to earn money isn't exactly a new concept. It's been around for a long time. Starting with blah 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 blah. Let's look at this thing. Well, here we're here to tell you literally anyone can play a game with a smartphone and a bit of free time and can earn real money. Let's review the top 10 games that pay instantly to PayPal quickly, easily, and hassle-free. Exactly, very, very strong. So if you see here, 2-3 sentence, basically, clearly states what the article. Example, clearly state it. Don't write plenty things. Use clear headings and subheadings. So this is where the whole thing now works. Right? So if you see here, headings and subheadings, here's my H2, my H2 best. So if I look down here, I have They did a spreading, and that's why I love this article. I just found this article online. They did a spreading. They have H2s, they have H3s, and they have H4s, right? But just one H1 tag. So this is what you want to consider. Yes, basically. So this is an example. H1 tag is best budget laptop 2024. Topics everyone needs. H2, what to look for in a budget laptop. H3, H2, top 5 budget laptops, reviews and spec. H3, best laptop for students, best laptop for work. Then another H2, FAQ and budget. So basically, this is how you want to write, right? Write SEO optimized content. You want to naturally use your main keyword. Let's see if these guys have their main keyword. Play real game that earn money. Okay, 1. PayPal, yeah. Gamers, yeah. Earn real money, yeah. So you see, they are writing naturally. So you want to use your main keyword naturally within your first 100 words. That's what they did. Sprinkle, just sprinkle them. Use short paragraph, 2-3 sentences for each for readability. Add bullet points. Let's see, bullet point. You see a bullet point. These are the things you want to consider. So let's see step 5, internal and external linking. So with this tool as well, we can identify the internal and external links. Where you just need to come here. See, they have internal and external. They don't have much external coming in. They have external, they have internal. Alright. Internal linkings are link related to your blog post in the site. Let's see. They should be linking. Probably their links is not. So you see what? So this is an internal link. Is another one, internal link, another internal link. Right? And as well, external link. Right? Let me see if these guys are linking. They're not linking to any external place. But it all depends on their choice though. It all depends. Now, optimize for future snippets is very, very important. Rich data is very, very important. Rich data. Right? So let me see if these guys have snippets. Let me see if they have schema. Exactly, they have schema. Right? Let me see if they have FAQ schema. Let me see the type of schema they're using. Right? Basically, they have schema here, which is very, very good for them. Probably that's why they're even ranking number 1. Okay, they're not ranking number 1. Yeah, they're ranking number 1 basically. Right? Because I know the content looks rich. So number 7, high quality images. Let me see, image is not here. They don't have image. So very, very important for you to add images. Very, very important. Okay, yeah, they have one, so just one. Right? Include alternate text. Alternate text are very, very important for the image. Let me see if this, how will I look at? Okay, let me inspect this. Let me see if it has. Let me see if it has. Yeah, it has. Yeah, and I know they have. I know it has. It has here. Alts. Yeah, it has. Right, so this is what you want to check. So lastly, add a strong CTA, strong conclusion. Let me see that conclusion. Exactly. Right. Playing paper games for real money can be a total game changer. Sure, this might not turn us into millionaires. They are letting you know that if you are playing paper game, you might not be a millionaire. And they're giving you a but it's a great way to kick back, relax, and play some games. So they're telling you now, they're diverting your attention, so you not think that, okay, they're advising you to play because of money. They're telling you that, oh, you can sit back and relax while you earn money, which is directly telling you passive income, right? So the next thing, summarize, add call to action, check out. So if you see here, let's say start earning. This is a CTA, start earning and get $1 3 times, right? So this is a CTA here for them. Optimize for mobile speed. Let me see if this is looking optimized. Yeah, this is looking mobile friendly. proofread and publish. So use Grammarly. Make sure that meta description and title tags. Let me see. You see here, your meta description ideally should just between 45 to 65 characters. Your description should be within 130 to 160. 160 shouldn't pass that range, else you'll be having 3 dots basically, right? So I give you an example here. You see the title, this is the description. Right, so basically let's go through the tags. Exactly what you want to do. You want to take one of your keywords. You want to take one of the keywords we have learned from this module. Create an SEO-Optimized blog using this structure. If you want the structure, I can send the structure to you as a draft. If you want it, I can send it for you as a draft. So you use it for your own next blog post. All right. See in the next one. The next module we are going to be talking about advanced strategy, right, to scale your blog. So we're going to be going a little bit advanced at this point. All right. We're going to be going advanced. All right. See you in the next one. I'm so much excited doing this with you. Feel free to ask many questions and cheers.